Hey racers! Before hitting the track, it's crucial to go through a proper checklist to ensure your safety and performance. Now let's walk through the essential steps and gear you need to be fully prepared for your track day. Before we get started, here's a quick list of the tools and products you'll need for this tutorial. Motul engine oil, brake fluid, chain clean, easy lube, brake clean, chain lube factory line, helmet and visor clean, interior helmet clean, and perfect leather. And a basic toolkit, a microfiber cloth, black duct tape, and some zip ties. And for the pros, spare tires, brake pads, an inflator, a chain brush, a drain pan, a funnel, and just any needs that you want for your bike. And of course, don't forget your bike keys. First up, check the battery condition to make sure it's functioning properly. A dead battery can ruin your track day, so let's double check it's all ready to go. All right, let's turn the bike on. Next, let's check your oil level. For most amateurs, changing your oil once or twice a season, it's enough. But if you're hitting the track regularly, you might need to do this more often. So make sure it's at the right level before your session. Now, how you do this is with a clean dipstick. You're gonna dip it into your engine. And then what you're looking for is for your oil to be between your medium and your maximum markers. If it isn't, top it up. And if you need to change your oil, you should check out one of our other videos on how to do that. Otherwise, if you're good, return it and you're good to go. Oil's good to go. Now onto the coolant. Now coolant is key to keeping your engine cool and preventing overheating. Check your coolant level is topped up if needed using the Motul factory line to keep things running smoothly. Now usually you can find your coolant reservoir somewhere at the front of your engine. First thing you want to do is locate where your coolant reservoir is. For us, it was behind the fairing. So an important thing to note up front is not to touch it until your engine is cool. Once it is, you just want to remove your cap like so. Now also another quick thing, you might want to check with your track provider and organizer as to whether you can actually use coolant, because if you're a pro, they might ask you to use water. Right, so to fill up your coolant, you're just going to grab a funnel, pop it into the top of the reservoir, and top up as needed. Then you're going to take it out. Oof, okay, she's quite full. And return the cap. And you're good to go. Now it's time to inspect your brake fluid. It's highly recommended to purge your brake fluid at the start of the racing season and then every 6 months after that. You can check out how to do that in one of our other videos. Now between track days, you can do a quick check and bleed the air if needed. Now, brake check time. Visually take a second to check your brake pads and the condition of your brake discs. One way to check your brake fluid is by the feedback on your brakes. Now, if you're getting a bit of a spongy response, it could be time to change it. Now let's set up your space to keep everything organized. Before you refuel, set up an environmental carpet. It defines your space and prevents any spills, keeping everything clean and organized. And don't forget your jerry can filled with fuel, so you're ready for refueling during your track sessions. Let's also make sure all your screws are tight and secure. This is crucial for both safety and stability on track, so take time to double check. So start from the back, methodically working your way through to make sure that there is absolutely nothing loose. Everything's secure, so let's prepare our checklist. Prepare a detailed checklist of everything you need: tire pressure, gear, and all the essentials. It's about avoiding last-minute surprises and staying organized. Now, don't forget to anticipate your tire needs. If you're an experienced rider, you know what works best. For those newer to racing, make sure your tires are in good condition and suitable for the track. As you can see here, we're getting really close to the wire, so it's about time for a change. Once your tires are set, let's clean the mechanical parts. Clean your chain and your brakes using Motul products before the session. It's an easy way to make sure all your mechanical parts are in top condition and performing at their best. Okay, now you're going to grab your chain clean and you're going to apply it directly to the links, working your way around the entire chain. And once you've done a full rotation, you're going to grab your brush and you're just going to brush the chain like so, working away around the entire links. Now we've cleaned all the chain, it's time to wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. So you're going to grab your cloth and you're just going to work your way around the chain, like so. And then you're done. Now it's time to clean your brakes. Take your brake clean and apply it directly to the discs, like so, and then take your microfiber cloth and wipe it away. And now to get into the brake pads, you just want to spray it directly in there. And then you're done. With everything packed, let's review your tyre pressure. Note your tyre pressure ahead of time and make sure to bring an inflator. It's essential for keeping your tyres the right pressure throughout the day. Right, so to do this, you'll take your tyre pressure gauge, you'll unscrew your tyre cap here, set that aside and don't lose it. Take your gauge, attach it, and then note your tyre pressure. If you need to inflate, just do so as needed. Once you're done, take off the tyre pressure, then you just want to return the valve cap, make sure it's secure, and it's that easy. Between track sessions, don't forget to check your battery level and your airbag. Onto the gear. Now get your checklist ready with all the gear you need, from helmet to suit to spare socks. Now it might seem basic, but being prepared makes all the difference. So make sure your checklist includes all the essential gear, from helmet, suit, underlayers, engine, oil, brake fluid, easy lube, and basic tools. The more prepared you are, the smoother your day will go. For those who race frequently, let's talk about the pro items. For pros, be sure to include a tent, a table, chairs, extra wheels for the rain, and other specialized tools. These can make or break your track experience. Now, a few small tips for beginners. Carrying a towel or cushion for brakes can make the day way more comfortable. Also check if there are showers at track. You'll thank yourself later. Remember, during your session, maintenance is key. Lubricate your chain every 2 to 3 sessions. Also check your oil and your coolant levels during break, and clean your helmet to stay fresh. Now don't focus on the timer unless you're racing competitively. Stay hydrated and eat a light lunch to maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Finally, when you get home, even if you're tired, clean your bike to prevent rust and buildup. Check for any issues and make sure all of your fluid levels are good. Thanks for sticking with us. You're amazing. That is it for today, and I'll see you next time.